Welcome to Savvy Serena. This is my hoarder room. This is my office as well as my storage area, I guess you would say. So I've got my office on this side. I've got some filing cabinets here. I've got some more storage space here, which these can be emptied out and some things done. I've got some storage bins here. I've got a lot going on all over the desk. I'm not worried about the desk yet. That can stay chaotic for right now. But, and the bookshelf, I'm not worried about yet. It's more all this other stuff. What's in the floor. What's all over here. It's just, and it's piling where I tried to get stuff in the closet, and now it's just piling out of the closet. It's just too much going on here. It's a lot going on. It's a lot. My husband's got some toolboxes in here, which those I might have to keep in here. On the other side, there's a TV right here. My husband was going to make this a office man cave type thing. It's not enough room for it. But we need like more people than me and him to move the TV. So that'll have to stay. But I've got stuff in the basket I normally use for stuff. But then I've got stuff all up here that needs to be gone through. I have so much. It is overwhelming and it's paralyzing for real. And I had tried to figure out what I'm going to do with this space. And I'm definitely, it's an office area, and if I can make this part of the area an office, I'm okay with. With just cleaning this area up and keeping up with it. But what I'm doing right now is not working. Everything gets brought in here and it gets plopped. You can see, just plopped everywhere. And in order for me to start editing, I have to move all the stuff so I can begin to edit. I don't know. I really don't know. I am baffled by this room. Maybe once I get in it, I'll know what I'm going to do. Maybe that's the best way to do this. Because I am seriously overwhelmed by this. But I also know with Christmas coming, we've got to have a place to temporarily store the totes from that. I don't know what we're going to do, but I'm going to start looking at stuff and see what I can get rid of. I am going to take a basket. This may fill up quick, so I'm just going to start with that. If I need to go to something bigger, so I can just put stuff in it. And then I've got a trash bag for trash. I don't know what I'm going to do with giveaway because I just don't have enough room to do something for giveaway. So I'm going to start with this basket, this laundry basket that's on top. It looks like a lot of stuff, but it really isn't. Let's start with this basket with 15 minutes. Took me 5 minutes to do. I've got a little clock gadget on my computer. I started at 15 till and it's 10 till. And I've gotten through that basket in 5 minutes. So I think that's what I'm going to keep doing, is working on little things at a time. Now, before I go any further, this is what I'm keeping, which is just a few things. Some of this I know where it goes, my husband's hat, things like that. I know where this stuff is going. So I know it's got a home. I'm going to go ahead and put it away because I don't want to overwhelm myself. These are curtains, which I don't know if we're going to use. I know I'm going to put these in the bedroom. I just got to we have curtain rods, but not here. So I'm going to go put these in the linen closet. And then this is all paint stuff. And that's why I started gathering it. I'm going to keep this here because I know I have more paint stuff. And these speakers, I think the little speakers I have now, they don't work. So I have been using my headphones to edit, but it would be nice to have something that worked. I know these do work. I don't know if my headphone, my headphone. So I may end up using these instead of those little ones, because the little ones right there behind here, they're kind of hiding. They don't. I tried to get them working and I can't get them working. So if I can get better speakers, I'll use those and throw the little ones away. So that's why they're sitting here, because they're going on the desk. But I'm going to put this stuff away and start out empty, because that's just how my brain works. And I don't want this so overloaded where I'm overwhelmed trying to put this stuff away. So I'm going to go put this away, and then we'll go from there. That just took me 3 or 4 minutes to put away, and my basket is empty. I'm not emptying this basket yet. This can hold some other stuff. So we'll just put this here with that. Speakers, I've already said that I'm keeping right there for now, because I have more paint stuff. So I'm just going to keep it here for the time being. I just got to move this laundry basket. And I think I know where I'm going to put it. So let me put the laundry basket away. So when I picked up the laundry basket, I haven't put the laundry basket away yet. I seen this tote. I know what this tote is. For some reason, my husband stuck it in this office, and we don't need it in here. So I'm going to go put that back where I found it. So I'll be back, and the laundry basket and that will be gone. I just don't have enough room with my camera to show you where I'm putting it. I will get these out of the way. See what else I can get into. A lot of stuff in the closet that I'm not ready to deal with. I'm not going to the closet yet. Let's work on some other stuff. I didn't do a lot, but I've done a lot too. If that makes any sense. It's really overwhelming, as much stuff as this is. So this is all I'm getting done for today. I didn't think it was going to be this hard, but this is really difficult. I don't know. I just got to keep getting in here and doing it till I get it down and down to where it's manageable. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, today is the next day. So I'm going to start back at it again. I feel better today. I don't feel so overwhelmed. I'm going to keep working in small intervals. I don't know if I'm going to time myself. I found like stopping and looking at the clock was not helping me. So I'm just going to keep going, and then when I feel like stopping, I'm going to stop. I found some books. We are going to go through the ones I don't want, maybe donate them to the library. That's normally what I do with my books when I find books I'm done reading with. But we'll just make that, we'll do that with my office video. So this box will have to wait. Hard to get into the closet, and so with the camera, so I put all the clothes on one side. I've got more I've got to hang, but it's a paint sprayer or something of Dad, of my husband's, and then a potbelly, what we call air compressor. And this is, I forgot what Ed said that was, but anyway, I'm going to stick it up in the back just to make a little bit room, so it'll be easier getting to this closet if we need to. And there's stuff like, we have extra boarding and stuff back there, and the stuff you put underneath it, which I'm not going to move. Those are brand new boxes that have not ever been opened to replace the flooring in our kitchen or boards if we need to. I'm going to have to stop and let my camera charge a little bit. I may keep working and just show you some of the progress because my camera's going dead. So let me go charge it. Not done yet, but I think I'm done for today. I let my camera charge for a little bit. I found a box of stuff that we need to keep that I stuck there. That's all my paint stuff in that box there. So everything related to paint went in that box. This is extra carpet. This is not our carpet, but this is a carpet we laid in the living room. I'm keeping some of it because you never know when you need to replace like a patch and you need that carpet. So I was like, I think I'm going to hold on to it in case there's a rip or something, we can replace it. I may even put clothes in the rest of this closet. Maybe, I don't know. All this I didn't even go through, and I'm not going to. I'm not in the mood to do it today. I'm not going to. I feel like I've done a lot. I mean, taking a broader spectrum, there is room on the floor now, you know, compared to what it was. I guess it's not there yet. It's going to be a slow project of working little bit by little bit by little bit and keep going through. I mean, I got to go through all the stuff down here that's behind these toolboxes. You know, at least we can get into the closet when we need to a little bit easier. And everything's not sitting in the middle of the floor. I don't know. I may take another day and go through some more, but it gets overwhelming. So let me show you something. All the stuff that's leaving our house, minus the microwave. The microwave is leaving, but that isn't part of, of what I did. I just stuck it all in here so it would be together. This was yesterday's. This is today's. So I am tickled to death to be getting rid of all of this. So if you can relate with me, do you have a hoarder room or a hoarder space that just gets out of control? Let me know in the comments below so I don't feel so alone. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm not done with the space yet, but I'm done for today. I can only take little bit by little bit without me getting completely overwhelmed with it. So if I can just keep nagging at it a little bit each day, even if it's just portions at a time, then that's what I'm going to do. And anything I don't show on camera, I'll try to update you on as well. But I do want to hit the bookshelf and the office area next. So that might be what my next video will be about. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm tickled that this is leaving. And y'all come back now. You hear?